Hi, my name is Sue Hanson, and I concur with a lot of what that previous speaker said. We may not always agree with what people feel or think, but it's important to at least listen. I'm here today and have appeared before this legislature in the past to express concerns about voter eligibility and the lack of adequate verification, specifically as it pertains to citizenship. I've spoken with my legislator, Chad Lennon, and he has contacted our Suffolk County Board of Elections to discuss the matter. I was hopeful that a meeting would take place last month, but unfortunately, it has been postponed. In years past, registering to vote required proof of citizenship and was fairly straightforward. In years past, you could use a driver's license or social security card, because in years past, you had to be a citizen to get a driver's license or social security card, but that has changed. Today, those documents and the privileges they imply are available to non-citizens as well. So a driver's license and social security number does not prove you are a U.S. citizen, but it can be used to prove your identity. Today, proof of citizenship is limited, and three of the most commonly used documents are: 1, a U.S. birth certificate; 2, a U.S. passport; or 3, naturalization papers. But somewhere along the line, we stopped requiring these documents to prove citizenship when registering to vote. Instead, we accept a checkbox and a signature in a 3-inch square in the lower right-hand corner of a voter registration form, affirming the applicant is a U.S. citizen. Now, there are some who would argue that citizenship verification is a federal or state issue, and there's an argument to be made for that. But I will share with you something that designates that responsibility with the County Board of Election. And this is from New York State Codes, Rules, and Regulations, Title 9, Subtitle 5, Part 6217.5b, and you can look it up. The County Board is responsible for determining whether the application is complete and whether the applicant meets constitutional and statutory requirements. Procedures not prescribed are left to the county boards to establish. This is huge. What this regulation says to me is that it is up to us, we the people, to fix this at the county level. And what I want to emphasize in my 3-minute public comment is that it will take the involvement and support of everyone, and that includes our county legislators and, equally important, our county residents.
Okay.